Okay, software. Now we can work on this. So software, and then let's put people in the list. Let me check. And then here we can like div class, right? We can add like a button. Let me check. Let me go here, buttons. And this will be delete. And then this is to delete the whole list. So yeah, this is to delete the whole list. So let's delete list to be more kind of like specific. People in the list, divider. So now here, for person in user list that people that all, and for. So now class call adds m4. So here we're going to need, we need like a card. So yeah, kind of like that. And let me just copy the whole thing. We don't need these two things, so we got rid of two. Check. Just kind of like that. So here we're getting the banner. So let's go to the profile. Let's copy this because we're putting the banner on the top. So if person.profile banner, so person.profile banner. Let's check. Okay, remember this is the user. So we don't need that card title here. So in the card, let's put let's delete the card action and see. Let me check. Actually, no. So here in the card content, so let's divide the card content by row. Let's put a row here, and then so they have class call adds 4, and then here we're having the picture. So let's go here. Let's copy this one, paste it over here. If person, oops, person.profile URL person. Let's refresh. You see the user. So this is for the first 4 columns. Now, so we are having like 8 here. Car title. So person that user that first name. Wait. Why is this not loading? Oh, that's why. Because it's column. Oh, still not loading. Let me check. Let's put car action here. Oh. Let's remove this car title and see. Oh, yeah, we don't need to put user. That's why. Because it's actually, this is the user actually, so we don't need to put it, yeah. Oh man. I'm like, what's going on with this? Okay, right, finally, we got it. So let's put the R here. And then person that username. Wait. Okay. Let's put this in bold. So. Okay, so this is a user in this list. Let me check with car action. Oh, haha. Now I get it. Now works. Okay. So after the username, we want to put kind of like person dot profile. That profile, let me check. Like kind of like the bio or the caption, whatever. Profile info, let's save that. And oh yeah, this user doesn't have any, but Oh, this is double. Probably that's why. Here we go. Yes. And card action, we don't need to put that in. Yeah, this is basically the user in that list. And now we need to make this delete list to work. So let's go to the views and let's go here and add to list. List PayPal delete. Okay, request list ID. So PayPal list that objects that wait, I kind of forgot. Django objects delete. Yeah, I think that's how it is. Yeah, we just need to filter. And then base ID. And then set. Oh, seriously? We just closed the terminal. Okay, let's put these here. Remember to pass the view. And let's go to the here. Let's URL. Oh, what's the URL? Sorry, I forgot. Okay. Then here, okay. Let's go back. So ThinkNext, let's delete ThinkNext and then see if it works. Here we go. Oh. And yeah. Actually, we should take the user to the list. So, we don't need that. So yeah, we got the, so now what we need to do is we need to check, let's say that we're in this user, we need to check if the user is already in the list or not. We need to create a new view. Let's call this one, let's do it here. So we kind of like def remove from list. We'll take a request and then now a username. So let's get the person. Person will be get object 404 username. And then we get the ID. So list ID will be people list dot objects dot get user. Oops. Request. Remember, request user because we're getting the user from the request. And then people. Person. Right? And now let's try to remove people list that people. And then there is a function here. Let me see. Django made too many through. Let me see. So basically you can like through this part, like, so let me check. Oh, let me check. Like using the, yeah, like through argument. Okay, let's through and then objects dot filter, and then here we search the user ID, we pass the person ID, and then we get people list underscore ID. We pass the list ID. And now we can delete. Okay. This seems a little like complicated, like query here, but if you read about the like the through like argument here, you can make like a query inside the many-to-many field, and then we're just searching for the user here and the people list. Okay, just kind of like read carefully here so you can understand more about this. But that's what it is. We're making a search inside the people many-to-many field, and the search is the query. Sorry, it's basically the person and the list people ID. So, and then we're just deleting that. So now let me just copy this thing. Oh yeah, just put person. Okay. Let's put the sections as E. Then raise E. Okay, let's save that. No problem. Yeah, this should work. So now what we need to do, we need to check, let's go to the views here in the profile, and let's go user profile. So we have, we want to have like a, basically like check if the user is already in any of the lists that we have. So we can just check if the profile is in any of favorite list. So let's check that. So person in list will be people list dot objects dot filter. User will be, of course, the request user, and then people will be who, of course, the profile user. So if this person has 6, this will be like true or false. So let's just copy this one, comma, paste over here. Oops. Comma, save. So we got our person in list, right? So let's go to the profile. Profile. Here we are. So here, yes. So here basically what we do is, if the person in profile, so here, if person in list equals true, that means that we have the person in the list. So we want to do something else, and then and if. So let's copy this one. So if the person is in the list, we don't want to add, we want to remove the person. So delete, and then button red. So the URL, it's basically, oh wait, we need to, Oh yeah, we haven't the person to the list. So let me check. This one, so that one should be in the kind of like the URLs, because it's in the kind of like the profile. So let's go here. So let me think. I'm thinking. Okay, remove from list. Let's import remove from list. We need to create the URL. So let's basically copy this one, paste it here. So basically we remove and then remove from list. We copy this, we paste it here, and then now the URL remove from list. Perfect. Let's save. Let's copy. So now we can URL remove from list, and what we pass here, we pass the profile dot username. Okay, let's test all of these, and as you can see, we have the user you moved from favorite. Oof, that's huge. Delete favorite. I don't know. Let me check. Let me just put remove. Or, oh, no, actually, and let me put favorite here, and then let me put remove. Okay, right? Let's click remove and see if it works. And it works. Now let's go to the list. 0 people here. Let's go to this user. Let's add this person to the software, and you can see it's working. List 1 people, this person, and that's it. Everything's working here. This is it for now for the list. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.